Hello friends, this is Geeta and Sipana. Welcome back to Usha Sunshine. Usha Sunshine presents means of transport. Travel. Travel means to go from one place to another. We travel every day to different places. Example, our parents travel to their places of work. And we also have three types of transports. Land transport. Vehicles like car, bus, and scooters run on land. Trains run on tracks built on land. These are the means of land transport. Air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters move in the air. These are the means of air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. Water transport. Ships and boats run on water. These are the means of water transport. You know what? Some airplanes, helicopters can stay in one place in the air. Thank you.